Fortuna High, let's kick off this week's announcements with some important reminders and upcoming events around campus.
First up, if you're interested in seeing the world, the International Travel Club is holding a meeting Tuesday at lunch in room C405. Bring your lunch and come learn about exciting future trips.
Next, a quick reminder for all drivers. Student parking passes are required to park on campus. Students may only park in the student parking lot on 12th Street. Police will be patrolling the area and citing anyone without a permit or parked outside the student lot. So make sure your pass is visible and you're parked where you should be.
Yearbooks are also on sale now for $69 through October 30th. After that, the price goes up. You can find all of the details or place your order at fortunahigh.com/yearbook.
And every Wednesday this month, remember to wear pink to show your support for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Let's paint the halls pink, Huskies.
Finally, get ready. It's Halloweek. Here are your dress-up days. Monday, Halloween PJ Day. Tuesday, Twin Day, match with a friend. Wednesday, Adam's Day, wear all black. Thursday, Fall Festive Mom and Flannel Dad Day. And Friday, Halloween Costumes Day. Make sure they follow school dress code.
We can't wait to see all the creative costumes and school spirit around campus.
That's it for this week's student news. Stay safe, stay spirited,
and go Huskies!
Hey Huskies! The photo design class will have our photo studio open every day during Halloweek to capture all your amazing dress-up looks. Students are welcome to come by our classroom any period throughout the week, just not during the first or last 10 minutes of class. Teachers, please make a Minga hall pass for any student heading over and give them up to 25 minutes to strike a pose, get their pictures taken, and return to class. We'll also be calling classrooms to check in and maybe even stop by to invite dressed up students for photos. And yes, teachers are welcome too. Come show off your Halloweek spirit, Huskies.
Hey Huskies, here's your detention tutoring update for the week. Starting with lunch detentions, on Monday you'll be with Mr. Richardson B3. Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday detentions with Mr. Orr in CA8. And on Wednesday it's back with Mr. Richardson on B3. For after-school detentions, Monday is Miss Lynch in Cafe 1. Tuesday and Wednesday are also both with Miss Lynch in Cafe 1. Thursday wraps up with Mr. Eastham in E6. No after-school detentions on Friday. Now for tutoring opportunities. If you need extra help, you've got options all week long. On Tuesday, math tutoring is available at lunch in E2 with Miss Valdez, and after school with Miss Day in library. Wednesday and Thursday, you can also help after school with Sarah Dixon in F6. And Thursday lunch tutoring continues in E4 with Mr. Couch. Finally, a quick reminder. Saturday school is coming up on November 8th from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. in room F2 with Mr. Stockdale. Stay on track, stay focused, and keep earning those Husky points.
Hello, Fortuna High. It's time for your club news, where we keep you in the loop and all the awesome activities happening around campus. Let's start with Monday. The Garden Club meets after school from 3:25 to 4:25 in the garden between F Building and the Metal Building shop. Get your hands dirty and help things grow. Also, Interact Club meets at lunch in AB3, so come on by and get involved in the community service projects. On Tuesday, it's game time. Dungeons and Dragon Clubs meet after school in AB3 with Mr. Rios, and the Black Student Union, or BSU, meets every other Tuesday at lunch in B3. No club meetings on Wednesday, so catch up on the next homework or maybe plan your next club project. On Thursday, there is a lot going on. FCA Fellowship of Christian Athlete meets at lunch in CA2 for a pizza with a pastor. Mecha's Club meets at lunch in CA2, and GSA Club meets at lunch in the Wellness Center. And to wrap up this week, Friday brings more club fun. CERT Club meets at Usual Theater. Club meets at lunch in CA6 with Miss Olson, and Book Club meets at CA7 with Miss Dorman for their bi-weekly gathering. Also, don't forget, Creeks Club is hosting a campus cleanup after school on Friday. You don't have to be a member to help. Just meet on the senior lawn after school. It only takes about 30 minutes and makes a big difference. That's all for this week, club news. Join a club, meet new people, and make the most of your time at Fortuna High. Go Huskies!
Hey Husky sports fans, let's take a look at how Fortuna High athletes performed this week. Starting on the mats. If you're planning to wrestle this season but missed the meeting last week, make sure to talk to Coach Stockdale in room F2 as soon as possible. He's got all the info you'll need to hit the mat this winter. On the football field, your Fortuna High varsity Huskies scored a huge 28-14 win over Del Norte on Friday night. The Huskies played with heart and control on both sides of the ball. Way to bring home that victory. On the soccer field, boys varsity had an exciting 1-0 win over Eureka on Saturday. A strong defensive performance and a clutch goal sealed the deal. Meanwhile, girls varsity soccer battled hard but fell to Eureka with a final score of 3-0. In volleyball action, the girls varsity team took on Quincy last weekend, putting up a great effort but coming up short 0-2. Keep pushing, Lady Huskies. Your teamwork and energy are unstoppable. And on the cross-country course, our runners crushed it. Madison Ruiz finished second in the women's varsity 5K with a personal record time of 21 minutes and 55 seconds. And Alexa McCall placed fourth at 22 minutes and 16 seconds. For the men's team, Juan Ornelas led the pack, finishing first overall with an impressive personal record of 16 minutes and 2 seconds. Outstanding performances all around. You make us proud, Fortuna High. That's it for this week's Husky Sports Update. Keep training hard, stay competitive, and as always, go Huskies!
Hi, Hungry Huskies. Let's take a look at what's cooking this week. At Fortuna High, for breakfast, we're starting Monday off with pancake puffs, followed by cinnamon rolls on Tuesday. Midweek brings sausage and biscuit on Wednesday, waffles on Thursday, and to wrap it up the week, a sausage, egg, and muffin on Friday. And don't forget, every day you can grab a PB&J sandwich or parfait or cereal and alternate options. For lunch, Monday kicks off bean and cheese burrito, a tamale. Tuesday features hamburger and cheeseburgers. Wednesday brings chicken parmesan. Thursday serves up grilled cheese. And Friday finishes strong with baked potato ball. Each meal comes with vegetables, fruit, milk, and access to the salad bar. That's week menu. Huskies, fuel up, stay strong, happy Halloween, and go Huskies!